Hello! This tutorial will show you how to insert content on your screens using iIntelligence and how to schedule it. Let's begin. First, I will go to my content library. Then I choose the group in which I want to insert my content. For example, if I want to diffuse my content on the screens in a clinic, I will open the clinic group by double-clicking on it. Then I will upload my content. I select my file, then open it. I rename my file. It is important to always give the file a clear name so we know what content it contains. I can adjust the duration and frequency of the slide if I want to. Since this image is important, I will play it 2 times more often than my other slides. To have my content play between 2 dates, I select Schedule. I want my content to start playing on July 12th to August 5th. I can also adjust the hours of display. So if I want it to play from 11 to 7 each day, I drag over the boxes to select and deselect the time slots. Remember to save the changes once you're done. If I return to my content library, I can see that the content has been added to my clinic group. The modification will be present on your screen. From iIntelligence, I can view what is playing on the screens since the content that is playing is saved as a URL. This link can be sent and shared so you don't have to be in front of the screens to view the content. Right now, I have 2 contents in my clinic group. I will click on my playlist, then select Clinic Playlist. Then I click Share. This preview shows me the content displayed on my screens. I can copy this link and share it with my colleagues. That's it, super quick and easy.